Running Kimono here. So I did go to Walgreens to pick up my number 7, and this is just basically like a scrap deal, meaning like whatever is left, that's what I tried to come up with today. If you live in a town where there's no couponers, I'm sure you'll be able to score some other stuff. This was done on Sunday night very late, but the website has been very choky where you get kicked out. You can't even type in number 7 without you being thrown out. I know a couple of you have expressed that you can't even get your digital coupons to load anymore. I still have some, and if you do have them loaded, I think they expire in sometime in February, so you still can do deals later as the month progresses. But yeah, this is super weird, so we're gonna talk about it, especially this deal if you just wanna get a deal under your belt, and I'll talk about that. I found some 90% off bleach today, 5 of them, believe it or not. And it was 40 cents for a gallon of bleach. So that's a really good deal. So skincare and bleach, I'm up for a really wild night. And then we have some freebies at Meijer, including these N95 masks. I'll talk about that. Over at the Dollar General, I was at a Walgreens yesterday that I'm normally never at, and I was able to find a whole bunch of quarter items clearance. Apparently tomorrow it's rumored to go for 10 cents over at the Dollar General. So we'll talk about that really quickly. The weather report for you guys, kind of a snowy one. Mr. Kimono did the snow, and it is very like, we got a lot of snow, and we have that little bowl of cat food. There's some barn cats, 2 properties over, and they come over. They're not outdoor cats. They live in a barn, but they do come over to say hi, because we have cats here too, and they just like to, they're very social creatures, so that's why that's there. It's not our cats that are outdoor, it's a farmer that has some cats, and that's the story. I have to explain that every time, or people always get really angry with me. They're like, why are you feeding cats and leaving them outside? They're not my cats, they belong to at a farm. Okay, so let's talk about the bleach deal right off the bat. This company is called Splash Household Bleach Cleaner. So where I specifically found Mr. Splash, you know, at the front of the store they have an end cap, and they sell masks, they sell hand sanitizer, they sell bleach, and at the very bottom, the big bleaches. So this guy was originally $3.99 and it was down to 40 cents. And that clearance started about 2 weeks ago over at Walgreens. And here is the UPC if you want to grab a screenshot. There is the UPC, guys. So look right at the front of the store for this. That's where I found it. And I was really glad to find 4 of them. 40 cents for bleach. Well, that is kind of an unheard of price. Okay, so I made an entire dedicated video this morning on this specific deal to get one of the wipes and then one of these little, like, I don't know what it is, some sort of lotion potion sort of thing. So you're gonna have to do this as a curbside deal, meaning you do the order online, you drive to the store, they bring it to your car, or you get it in the photo department. So it's buy one, get one 40% off. And so the price on the receipt after the 40% off, $3.74 for this, $10.74 for this. I had a $10 digital for this, and I used $5 of Walgreens cash. I paid 37 cents. Buy 2 of these, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So it's like I basically paid a little bit of tax, and I did this on my card and my husband's store card. And the manager at this one location pulled me aside and he's like, can I ask you a weird question? And I'm like, oh, okay. He was really nice. And he's like, why is everybody ordering number 7? And I said, there's really high value digital coupons, that's why. And he's like, oh, okay. And he's like, haven't had a single order for cough medication, but this nonstop. So very nice man, but yeah. Anyhow, I was very delighted to get these 2 orders at one store. Every time I also got a little order going, one of these would pop out of the Catalina machine. So it was kind of my day. And then this might be the taller order to find. We have an Acne product, and I'm gonna give you the price on the receipt. Mr. Acne was $12.32, and I had a $12 coupon for this. And Radiant was $9.89. So for the 2 of them, I had, I think, a $10 for this and a $12 for this. I also had to throw in $4 of Walgreens cash. I paid 32 cents and then got back another $5 of Walgreens cash. And I did this on mine and my husband's store card. And I'm gonna let you guys know, I got thrown out of the Walgreens site a bunch of times, or it started getting very slow. Just a whole bunch of weird stuff was happening with the number 7 deals. So, you know, take this one in stride. If you are not very good at these online pickup orders, maybe totally take a pass on it. But it worked out perfectly for me. You just need a little bit of patience in a store that has the stock, and you might have to get creative with some sort of scrap deal. It's not the typical stuff that you're gonna get, but just something a little thinking outside of the box. And these makeup wipes, I think I'm gonna really enjoy using them. I'm gonna let you guys know, I did take a walk through the skincare, or where they keep the number 7 stuff, and it was looking a little bit empty. There was a lot of people doing this deal really, really hard today even. So good luck with that, and let me know if you score in the comments. A Dollar General yesterday, and I didn't think I would score anything, but I did walk through the Christmas aisle and stuff, and I found a couple items and a whole bunch of air care in the back of the store. So I don't know why people are not buying stuff. I guess they just don't want to. So there's $1.75 for this one, so it would give you like $1.50 of overage, $1.50 digital for this, giving you $1.25 of overage, and then a $2 for this, giving you $1.75 of overage. So I got a whole bunch of these. They're all $1/4 each. They're all Christmas scent products by Airwick. And with those digital coupons, tons of overage. Just make something happen. You can get a whole bunch of Christmas items. I made a whole video on this Christmas sale last week. I'll link it at the end if you wish to watch it. But yeah, I was able to get like my whole haul for free. I even had to throw in 2 candy bars. There was so much overage that the manager, I gave the manager 2 candy bars because I don't eat candy bars. But yeah, it was just like so many clearance items. It was crazy. Now this little candle thing, so adorable. So anything with this red square is part of it. Tomorrow morning, if you want to just scan this into the Dollar General app to see if it's ringing up for 10 cents, then you would know that the Christmas merchandise has hit 10 cents. It's supposed to tomorrow morning. But this cute little, you know, for $1/4 definitely. And then I got some more poultry seasoning. I got another little water cup. Also, this is Red Dot. And then the final item is a little vase, and nobody wanted this at the store. You can see my reflection. Hi guys. So anyhow, this was $10 originally. I got it for $1/4, so that's pretty fantastic. The last store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. I talked about this deal in yesterday's video. This is like $3.21. We have a $4 digital. If you loaded it last week, it would make it free. There is no overage at Meijer. At the front, they had a little desk, and they were handing out N95 masks, and I was shocked. I have never tried on one of these masks since the pandemic started. And guess what, guys? I tried it on, and it is so uncomfortable. I prefer the KN95 masks, the ones that are produced in China. It's just a lot easier to wear. Like, this is super constrictive on your face. I do not know how construction workers do it, because it was hard for me. Or maybe I just have too fat of a face. But this thing was really difficult. Even though it's free, I'm gonna leave them at the store for other people. I'm not gonna get any more. I don't even think my husband would find this comfortable because it's so constricting. I do prefer like a KN95 compared to this. But just to let you know, if you are in search of a mask, they have these ones and the blue ones at any Meijer grocery store. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.